We're doing the topic questions of cash flow statements. These are the questions, and you have to identify whether the following is operating activities, investing activities, financing activities, or cash and cash equivalent.
Yes.
Okay, come on, tell me. Cash sales.
Cash sale of goods, right? Not like operating finance, operating activities.
Very good.
Okay.
Don't go for the solution, okay?
Yeah, no, no.
Revenue received from services rendered.
Revenue received from services rendered. I don't know this.
Okay. What is investing activities? Tell me.
Ma'am, like that. When you invest money,
Buying and selling of
buying
non
and selling.
assets
Yes.
and dividend received.
Okay, yeah, dividend received, right?
Financing activities are something that is related to shares, loans,
Yes.
redemption and all, and dividend paid.
Yes, right.
So cash received against revenue. That means is it your day-to-day operations?
No.
Why not day-to-day operations? It's received from revenue. So it will be
Revenue.
day-to-day operations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Revenue, you earn revenue from your day-to-day operations, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So which activity will it be?
I'm
Operating activity,
operating activity.
purchase
Yeah.
of good, sales of good, revenue, all which activities will it be?
Operating.
Operating activities, purchase
Yes.
of goods,
Purchase of goods, yeah.
which activity?
Cash purchase of goods is again operating activity.
Yes. Cash paid for services taken.
Hmm. Cash paid for services taken is again operating activities is it that?
Yeah.
Because
But just
purchase, yeah.
remember,
Okay.
investing activities is when you're investing money. Financing activities
Yeah.
is arranging money or paying back from where you've arranged the money.
Okay.
Patent purchased.
Patents purchase. Yeah, again operating activity.
Patent is a non-current asset.
Oh, yeah. Non-current asset.
Buying and selling of non-current
Investing
asset.
activity.
Yeah.
Investing. Invest.
Marketable securities.
Marketable securities. Oh, this is
This is
yeah.
cash and cash equivalent.
Okay.
Okay,
What is cash and cash equivalent?
cash and cash equivalent is either cash or
Yeah.
anything that can be converted into cash.
Converted. Okay.
Okay. So when I talk about marketable securities, it could be cash or things that can be converted into cash.
Okay. Things that can be converted into cash.
Bank overdraft.
Bank overdraft. Financing activity.
Why financing activity?
Because financing activity is where you pay someone something, right?
But bank overdraft is when you pay someone something. Financing activities is from where you arrange funds
Arrange funds. Yeah.
or you pay back the funds.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you have bank overdraft, that means you are withdrawing more money from your account than what you have.
Yes, sir.
So when you're withdrawing more money from your account than what you have, so it will be which activity?
Financing.
Read ahead.
Purchase of shares.
Hmm.
Like I guess investing activities. Yeah.
Okay. Why?
I don't know. Can you like explain investing activities one more time?
Investing your money.
Yeah, investing your money, right?
Okay. Remember, when you issue shares,
Yes.
it will be which activity?
In investing.
Financing.
Oh, financing. Sorry.
Okay. When you redeem shares, that
Redeem
means you
shares.
pay back the shareholder. Redeem shares means what? Pay back
Pay
the
back the
shareholder.
shareholders.
Which activity?
Investing.
Financing only.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are
Okay.
issuing shares, you pay back the shareholders. You
Pay
take
back the share.
loan, pay back the loan.
Pay
Finance.
back the loan.
But when you're buying shares, that means you're
When we are
investing.
buying, it will
Pay
be
back.
investing because we are investing on something by purchasing.
Okay. Come on. Issue of debentures.
Okay. Issue of debentures. This will be operating.
Why? What is debentures?
I'm like debts, right?
Loan. So you're taking
Okay,
loan
loan.
from public.
Yeah.
So proceeds from issue of debentures.
Proceeds for issue of debentures. So financing.
Very good. Repayment of loan.
Repayment of loan. Again, financing.
Redemption of debentures.
Redemption of debentures. It's like paying only, right? Redemption, repaying.
Paying, yeah.
Yeah, financing.
Getting interest on investments.
Getting interest on investments. This is operating activities.
Doing investment is what activity?
Investing activities. Yeah.
So if you receive interest
Ah.
on these investments, then it will be what activity?
Financing. Sorry, investing, not financing.
Investing activity.
Yeah.
Interest on debentures.
Interest on debentures. Financing. Because you're paying loan.
Income tax paid.
Which income tax paid. Operating, because you're paying.
Because you're paying, it's not operative, it is because you're doing your day-to-day operations and earning money, you have to pay income tax.
Okay. I like this.
Income tax paid on sale of assets. On the gain of sale of assets.
Sale of assets.
Buying and selling of asset is which activity?
Buying and selling, ma'am, is operating, right? Day to day.
Assets you buy day to day, you sell day to day.
No, or do we? You know,
What you do in your day to day business?
when we like sell, right, or
Buy and
purchase.
sell of what? Goods or non-current assets?
Um,
Buying and selling of goods is normal business operation, right?
yeah, normal business operation.
Goods, I'm talking goods. The things that you deal with. But if I am talking about, say, if in dot education, the things that I deal is with is services.
Yes.
For me, my assets are the furniture, the plant and machinery, the AC, the premises. So buying and selling of those assets can be operating activities.
No,
So what activity will it be?
that I don't understand. Buying and selling.
Buying and selling of goods. Goods, that
Yeah,
the things that you deal with. If you are a cloth supplier, you will deal with clothes.
yeah. So
So buying and selling of clothes, goods would be operating activity.
okay.
But if you have an AC in your office, if you have a refrigerator in your office, will you buy and sell that regularly?
Oh no, we won't. We won't.
That will be which activity?
This thing. Invest. No, financing.
Are you receiving money?
No.
If you're buying and selling your assets, it is investing activity.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Finance
understand.
activity is something from where you arrange funds.
Okay, very very.
From where you arrange funds. You
Yes, ma'am.
arrange funds from loans,
Mhm.
debentures, shares.
Yes, ma'am.
Issue of shares and debentures is financing activity. Issue.
Financing activity. Issue of share of loan.
Redemption of shares and debentures is also financing activity.
Yeah.
But purchase of shares will be
Purchase share will be investing.
investing activity. So income tax paid on gain of sale of assets, which activity?
Income tax. Okay, we're paying. Okay, so it'll be investing on
Yeah,
gain.
paying is not investing.
Yeah, yeah.
You pay for
Yes.
many things,
Yes, yes.
but it is assets.
Yes, ma'am.
So
So investing.
cash received from debtors.
Cash received from debtors. This will be like we're getting money, right? Operating activity.
We are getting money and paying money happens in all activity. That is not the reason for operating, investing, financing.
Okay.
Who are debtors?
And debtors are the people who are supposed to pay money, right?
Pay money. Why are they supposed to pay you money?
Because they owe like a set of money to someone.
But why
Right?
are they going to pay you money? Debtors. Who are debtors?
Right.
Who are debtors?
Debtors are the people that pay money.
But who are they?
I don't know. I didn't get it.
People to whom you sell goods on credit.
Okay.
Who are debtors?
People who sell goods on credit.
So if you're selling the goods on credit, that means you are giving them time to pay. So they owe you money.
Yes, ma'am. They
So
owe us, ma'am.
so you will sell goods regularly on credit.
Yes.
You will buy goods regularly on credit.
Yes. Right.
You will sell regularly on credit. You will buy regularly on credit. So is it your day-to-day business operations?
Yes, it is.
So payment to creditors or payment received from debtors, which activity will it be?
Operating activity, day to day.
Activity, because it is day-to-day. Day-to-day
Yes.
operating activities. Day-to-day is operating activities. Please understand the logic behind it. Try to do
Yes,
this.
ma'am. I know. Okay, fine.
Question number 2. Purchasing shares.
Purchase of shares on a stock exchange. Uh,
Come on, tell me.
yeah, ma'am. So it's either if it's financial company or financial company, right?
I
So
told you don't see MS.
I don't know these answers.
What is a financial company?
Like it deals with like
A financial company is a company that deals with buying and selling. Okay.
okay,
When
buying
I'm
and selling,
talking about financial company, it is a company that deals with buying
buying
and
and selling.
selling of what? It deals with
Good.
buying and selling of shares,
Yes. Right.
bonds,
Yes.
debentures. Debentures is loan to the public. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So for these financing companies, buying and selling of shares, bonds, and debentures would be considered as operating activities
Yes, ma'am.
because this is their regular day to day business operation.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Day to
if you're
day.
a non financial company, so when I am saying you're a non financial company and you are going to buy or you're going to purchase shares.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're a non-financial company and
Financial
you
company.
purchase shares, so this will be what activity for you?
I'm this thing
Investing
financing, right?
activity.
Okay.
Okay.
Investing.
You are purchasing shares. Now understand, you are issuing shares. Issue,
Yes,
not
issuing shares.
purchase. Issues, that means you give it to public and you ask public to buy. Issue shares or redeem shares.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be what activity?
Issue share, redeem shares, financing activity.
Financing activity. Very good. Now there is one more thing in this. Dividend paid.
Yes, ma'am. Dividend paid.
Dividend paid is what activity?
Uh, don't know.
Operating activity.
Operating activity.
And
Right.
dividend received. Dividend received, that means you've invested money and you are getting a dividend.
Yes, ma'am.
It is investing activity. This is
Okay,
very
ma'am.
important that you understand this concept, that for financial companies, shares, bonds, debentures is day-to-day operations. But for non-financial companies, shares and bonds could be either investing activity or financing activities. If you are purchasing shares, it is investing activity. But if
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
issuing and redeeming shares,
It's
issue
financing.
shares, redeem shares, financing activity, dividend paid, operating activity, dividend received, investing activity. Very, 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 very important concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now they are saying that for financial company, for which company?
Financial
Financial
company.
company and a non-financial company.
Financial company.
Okay, fine. So purchase of shares on a stock exchange.
Purchase of shares of a stock on a stock exchange.
Okay. So if it is a financing company,
Yeah.
so if
It
this
will
is a
deal with the buying
financing
and selling
company,
of shares.
yeah.
Yeah.
So which activity?
So for financial company,
Yeah. So if it is a financing company and you are buying and selling of shares, so which activity?
operating activity,
Operating activity. And if it is a non-financial company, you are purchasing shares. So which activity?
investing activity.
Investing activity. So this, okay,
Okay.
I will put over here for financial company and non-financial company.
Yes, ma'am.
A part. For financial company, purchase of shares is what?
Financial company purchase of shares is
Operating activity.
operating activity. Yeah.
For
Yeah.
non-financial company, purchase of shares is what?
Investing activity.
Investing activity. Very good.
And selling will be fine. Yes.
Dividend received on shares.
Dividend received on shares.
For a financial
Okay.
company, it is what?
Dividend received. This we are receiving, right? Receiving on shares. So like financing.
For
Wait,
a
no, what's
financial company, dealing with shares is what? It is day-to-day business. For a financial
yes, ma'am.
company, dealing with shares is the day-to-day business activity,
Yeah, okay, so it's operating activity. So
operating activities. And for a non-financial company,
financing. Sorry.
investing,
Investing. Uh, yes, ma'am.
dividend paid on shares.
Dividend paid on shares, operating activity.
For a financial company.
Yeah, for a financial company.
And for a non-financial company, it is for them also it is operating activity.
Operating activity. Okay.
Loans given.
Loans given. Operating activity.
Hmm? You're giving loan.
Yeah, we're giving loan. So could be financing, right? Because loans give me.
A financing company deals with shares, bonds, debentures. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So loans given. So it'll be operating. So a financial company and operating activity.
Non-financial company,
Non-financial company, it will be
Investing
Finance,
activity, because they
investing
are
activity.
giving loans to people, they are investing their money to receive interest.
Yeah, okay, right. Loan, interest.
Okay. Loans are
Yeah.
taken and interest on borrowings. Okay. Taking loans, interest on
Mm.
borrowings for financial company, all this is day-to-day business operation because they are dealing with finances only. Shares, bonds, debentures, loans. So for them, all of this is operating activity.
Yes, ma'am.
But for a non-financial company, taking loan is which activity?
Taking loan is financial activity.
Okay. And interest on loan will be
Interest on loan will be in again financial, or are
credit.
we playing, or we are paying interest, right?
Okay,
So
will be
investing
financial.
activity.
Investing activity or financial or operating is not classified based on paying or receiving.
Yeah, yeah.
It is
We're
classified
investing, right?
based on investing, or it is classified based on taking money or day-to-day business operations. Am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
clear? Try this
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Now, in this question, what you have to do is you have to classify it as inflow, outflow,
Inflow, outflow, cash and cash equivalent.
or no flow.
Oh yeah. Okay, no flow. That's it. That's what it is.
Sale of fixed assets,
Sale of fixed assets. It's inflow, right? Because
inflow.
yep.
Sale of goods,
Sale of goods again inflow.
purchase of machinery.
Purchase of machinery is outflow.
Okay, read.
Purchase of land and building for 10 lakhs. Consideration paid by issue of debentures.
Means,
So, meaning that we purchased land and building in 10 lakh and then it was paid by debentures like that. So I don't get
but did
this.
you give any money outside?
No, we didn't.
You gave a certificate that we've taken loan from you.
Right. Okay. So no flow.
No flow.
Okay.
Then,
Issued fully paid by bonus shares. So then again no flow.
what does this mean?
And that is paid by bonus shares, right? Or the issue.
You have issued shares.
Yeah, issued
Giving
shares.
shares to public. Normally, it is what activity?
It would be what do we say? Financing.
Financing activity. But you're
Yeah.
giving shares, but
Yeah, but
no
we're
money
giving
is
shares.
received. You've given them as bonus. Bonus means
Yeah,
giving shares
on
free of
extra.
costs.
Yeah.
No money is received.
No one is.
Which
Okay.
activity? No flow.
Okay.
You
No
gave
flow. Yeah.
shares and gave them free.
Yeah.
No
Immediately.
money coming in.
No money coming out for it.
Cash withdrawn from bank.
Cash withdrawn from bank is this like inflow? Because you're getting money from the bank.
It is going out from where?
Bank
And it is coming where?
to us,
In
right?
cash.
Cash. Yeah.
Cash and bank are
Oh, cash
treated as
and
one thing.
yes, yes. Cash and cash equivalent. So
So,
no flow.
yeah.
Okay, I get it now.
Paying dividend.
Payment of interim dividend. Outflow.
Payment of dividend is outflow. Very good. Come on.
Oh,
Let's go ahead. So, I have to say whether it is operating activity, investing
yes.
activity, or financing activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the first part.
Acquiring machinery for 2 lakh 50,000, paying 20% by check and executing a bond for the balance payable.
Okay. So, machinery buying. First, tell me buying
Yeah.
of machinery is what activity?
Operating,
Okay. So, you're buying a machinery of 2 lakh. Why operating activity?
investing, you're buying.
You're buying an asset.
Yeah.
You're buying an asset, you're buying a non-current asset, it is an investing activity. Very good.
Yes, sir.
But how much are you paying by check?
20%.
20% is how much?
20% like 20% to like
50,000.
50,000. Yeah, okay, 50,000.
So there is an outflow of 50,000.
Yes, outflow.
50,000 is investing activity.
Yes, investing activity.
Okay, fine. What about the
Yes, sir.
balance?
Balance. The balance payable.
Balance is payable.
Yeah, balance is payable. Written.
That means you will pay in future.
Yeah, pay in future of what?
Balance you're going to pay in future through bonds.
Yeah, through bonds, right?
So currently there is any inflow or outflow with this?
No, nothing.
So no inflow, no outflow.
No outflow.
So cash flow is only how much?
Cash flow is only
50%
50,000 investing activity.
flow, investing activities.
Yes, outflow.
Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Cash flow is only 50,000 outflow, investing activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read ahead? Next part.
Yeah, paid 2,50,000 to acquire shares in Informatech Ltd and received a dividend of 50,000 after acquisition.
Okay. Paid 2 lakh
Shocking.
50,000 to acquire shares.
Yeah, to
Acquire
acquire shares.
what?
Acquire shares is we are paying for shares, right? Like investing.
You're buying shares.
Yeah, buying shares. So we are investing activity.
Buying shares is which activity?
Investing activity.
Okay.
Okay, and received a dividend of 50,000.
So 2,50,000 you've paid.
Yeah,
Which activity?
investing activity.
Inflow, outflow.
In outflow, right?
So this is 2,50,000 investing activity, outflow.
Yeah.
Outflow means negative.
Yes, yes, it's going out.
Then you received a dividend.
Yeah, we received a dividend, 50,000.
Which activity?
Financing.
By financing, you invested money, you received money on investment.
So how is it investing though? It won't.
You bought shares.
Yeah, we get it back. That's
Like
investing.
you bought shares, that means you invested money.
Yes.
You received money on your investment.
So that's also investing. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that is also investing activity.
Okay.
But dividend paid is which activity?
Operating.
Yes, very good. So you received a dividend, that is also investing activity. How much dividend you received?
How much? 50,000.
50,000. Inflow or outflow?
Your inflow.
Inflow. Okay. So your net effect is how much?
Net effect. Net effect will be 2 lakh.
So there was a 2,50,000 outflow, 50,000
Yeah,
inflow. So your net effect
inflow.
is how much?
2 lakh.
2 lakh investing activity.
Right. Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
See the C part now.
Sold machinery of original cost of 2 lakh with an accumulated depreciation of 1,60,000 for 60,000. Okay.
Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. So sold machinery, right, of original cost of 2 lakh. So is it investing activity? This is selling.
Sold machinery. Yeah, buying
Yeah,
and selling of non-current asset is investing activity.
investing activity, right?
So C part. Okay, sold machinery. Selling of machinery is which activity?
Investing activity.
Investing activity.
No,
Very good.
that's
Now
very
this
good.
machinery had cost how much?
2 lakh.
Its accumulated depreciation is how much?
1,60,000.
Okay. Cost minus accumulated depreciation gives you carrying value.
Okay. Carrying value.
Carrying value is how much?
Carrying value
Is
40,000.
40,000. Cost minus accumulated depreciation gives you carrying value. Carrying value is 40,000. Carrying
40,000.
value is also called as the book value.
Yeah, book value.
Okay. So machinery that had a book value of how much?
Of
40,000.
40,000.
It is sold for
Sold for 60,000. Eh?
sold for 60,000. Now tell me. Inflow is how much?
Inflow will be 60,000.
So 60,000 is which activity?
Six, what do we say? Financing, right?
See,
What
buying
I
and
need?
selling of assets is investing activity.
Investing activity, but
You are not arranging funds. You are buying and selling
okay,
asset. Buying
okay.
and selling
Buying and
asset.
selling.
Buying and selling of asset is
Yes.
investing activity.
Okay.
Financing activity is taking loans, issuing shares, issuing debentures. But this is for non-financial company.
Yes, ma'am.
With me?
Buying and selling.
Are you with
Yes.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go to the next question, please?
Okay, fair.